Now the 11th question, same as 10th question. There he said population. Here he said bacteria is increasing at certain rate. After 2 hours, how much it will be? Same. So we have the formula. This one, we applied the same formula to the population in the previous question. Now we will be applying to the bacteria. So initially it is 5,06,000. So what he says is, initially one bacteria is there whose count is 5,06,000 and it is increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Per hour it is increasing and he is asking to find after 2 hours. Per 1 hour, 2.5% increasing after 2 hours. Just like for 1 year, 2.5% is the interest rate, and after 2 years, what will be the amount? Initial principle is this one, like that. So, after 2 hours, bacteria is equal to, initially how much it was? 5,06,000 into 1 plus, what is the growth rate? 2.5% divided by 100 whole to the power of how many times? 2. If we simplify, we will get the answer. Simple. Now, how to cancel this? 2.5 by 100. 4 is 0, 40. How to do? Let us see. Say 2.5 by 100. Now, whenever we are having decimals, how to deal with them? So, first what we will do is remove the decimal. How? Into 10 into 10. So, it will become 25 by 2.5 into 10. So, that decimal is removed. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100. 4 tens are 4 into 10, 40. Anyway, so we got 40. 40 plus 1, 41. 5,06,000 into 41 by 40 into 41 by 40. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Cancellation. So when we simplify, we will be getting 5,31,616.25 we are getting. So if you want, we can round it off or we can keep it like this only. So we will be getting 5,31,616 bacteria after 2 hours. And next 12th question is also of same type. Let us do that 12th one. Now what he says is, one scooter is purchased or bought for 42,000 rupees. The value of scooter is 42,000 rupees and its value is depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Now, till now we are seeing incrementing. The value is incrementing because of interest rate. When we give the amount to somebody, then they will give the interest and the value will be increasing. So, we are taking plus here. But whereas here it is depreciated. So, that is decreasing. I think you know what is the value of depreciation. Depreciation is nothing but decrementing value. Say we have bought one article, it is having 1,000 rupees value. So because of wear and tear, that is when we are using it again and again, its value will be decreasing. So after some time, the value will be not same as the value at which we bought. The value will be decreasing. This decrease in the value is called depreciation. This is just opposite of appreciation. Appreciation means value will be increasing, increased value. Just opposite of it, value is decreasing. That is called depreciation. Now, the same concept. Initially it is 42,000, decreasing at the rate of 8%. What is the value after 1 year? Same formula. What we are using, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n we are using now. In the same way, initially what is the value? 42,000. 1 plus minus, because the value is depreciated. So instead of taking plus, we will take minus. How much it is? 8 by 100. How many years? He said only 1 year, so it will be only 1. So 42,000 into 100 into 100 minus 8, 92 by 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, cancellation. If you want, here also you can cancel. 4 2s are 4, 25s are 25 minus 2, 23 by, like that also we can do. We will get the same value. I am taking this only because zeros and zeros will cancel very easily. So 420 into 92. Let us do 42 into 92. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 9 2s are 18, 8 1, 9 4s are 36, 37, 4 16, 8 3. So it will be 38640. What I am doing, whenever one zero is there, without zero we will do the calculation, and at the last we will keep that zero. So how much it is? 38,640. So the value of scooter after 1 year is 38,650 rupees. So here the value is decreasing. We can do like this, or what we can do is, per 1 year how much is decremented? 8%. So 8% of 42,000 we can calculate. So per 1 year 8% now, so we can calculate 8% of 42,000. So we will get decrement value. That we can subtract directly from 42,000. Even in that case also we will get the same answer. We can do like that also.